morning routine realistically. So I be on my phone, I'm not going on, then I fix my bed sometimes. Then I open up the window to get some sunlight and natural light. Then I go straight to the bathroom. I try to make it something a little cute, really YouTube like, you know what I mean. Look how professional that looks. Then I brush my teeth, scrub. Use a tongue scraper. It actually helps a lot if you have a stank ass breath, and plus use it for your own hygiene. I put some rosemary on my roots, well, my baby hairs, because my hair been falling out, and some coconut oil on my face. No face routine, just that. Good morning. It's not really good morning. It's really 1:50 p.m. but I've been in bed all day, and we're gonna start with it. So this was supposed to be like productive as vloggy, and I got my period this morning, and that's in TMI, but I don't care. I got my period this morning, so I'm like, girl, I was gonna be like, oh, I was gonna be real cute or whatever. I'm still gonna do everything else but work out, because I'm trying to work out more, but I just can't. These cramps are busting my ass, but we're gonna do the best we can. I'm gonna just show you my morning routine, and yeah, I want to show you me cooking though. I think I'm gonna get my other tripod and get like 2 angles kind of thing, so I can hear me talking while I'm cutting everything up. So where's my other tripod? So I can't find my other tripod. I'm not gonna lie, I literally just showed one place. I didn't want, actually I think it might be in the office. Let me go back. Found the tripod. I don't know if I should do it. I want to film content for my page though. I ain't gonna lie. So I think I'm gonna just do an angle. I'm giving you the whole process of my day. I think this angle is gonna be more so for my social media, and I'm gonna post it. Oh my gosh, this tripod is so freaking messed up. I don't know what happened to it, honestly. I think this angle to be on social media is gonna be on my page. So it can be real cute, real, classy or whatever. And oh my gosh, I feel so shitty. I'm not even gonna lie, like these cramps are killing me. And I usually don't get cramps like that, but I got them this month because I've been lacking on water. And whenever I don't drink as much water as I'm supposed to, my cramps be so crazy. So freaking crazy. Let me have a little angle right here. I am doing a Trader Joe's haul today, because the Trader Joe's haul video today, or y'all might see this video today. I don't know, but it's either Trader Joe's video was uploaded yesterday, or technically when this video dropped, it will be uploaded yesterday or be uploaded tomorrow. I don't know. I've been like, I don't want to say I had like a low ass energy, but bro, I've been like, I don't know. I'm just so tired and I feel so freaking irritated. I have such a bad attitude right now. Jeez. So let's put some food in my system. Sadly, I don't have chicken. And it low-key pisses me off the fact that I don't got chicken, because my chicken salads from 81st Deli is not going to be hidden. So I'll make a strip version of it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm missing some ingredients, like I'm missing my strawberries or whatever. So this is my morning salads. It's kale. I put tomatoes sometimes, but today I'm in the mood for tomatoes, cucumbers, avocados, and I'm missing strawberries. Strawberry is added with a little flavor. I also do it with chicken, but I only have shrimp. Haven't decided if I'm gonna do it with shrimp, because I don't know. I really don't know. Like, I am not in the mood for no goddamn shrimp. I want chicken. We don't have chicken, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna decide what I'm doing with this, because I don't know if I should be a healthy girl and just have no meat, because I've really been eating a lot of meat in the morning, and I'm not supposed to. Like, I used to have a good ass, like, I don't want to say diet, but good ass health habit of not eating meat in the morning, and now I'm eating meat in the morning. Like, girl, so I don't know if I'm eating meat today in the morning. I'm gonna eat meat later, but the only bad thing is when I don't put meat, I get hungry. But I really want chicken, bro. I make some bomb ass chicken salads. Anyways, let me get to cut. Okay, so the first thing I always cut up is my kale, because honestly that takes the most. Make sure it is washed. Yeah, unpopular opinion, but I feel like kale tastes better than lettuce. I think this video might be uploaded first. I'm not even gonna hold you. So I be like wrapping it up. I'm gonna show it on camera, so make sure y'all check out that video on my Instagram, because we're monetized. So I just like roll it up in a circle, and then I just cut it. Oh no, I should flip it. Oh shit. Okay, that was definitely a failed cut video. I was trying to be satisfying. I need to like flip it to the other side, but I'm not gonna lie, I do not want to do that. Like, not even a little bit. Okay, this video is not gonna be as satisfying because I need a new tripod, because I don't have a tripod that like you can actually watch me cook. I didn't know it was a certain tripod for it, so I'm gonna get a new one real soon. It's like a chill day kind of vibe, but it's also very like a lot I had to do today because I had to send out a couple emails. I had to do a couple shit. I've been slacking on like collabing with brands or whatever. So if you are a brand and you want to collab, hit your girl up. But I need to do that too, as well as I haven't really been posting food recipes. I did post a food recipe yesterday on my Instagram. I low-key liked the beat. Like, it was like, it was like a Coley LeRae kind of shit. I'm guessing it's her new song, but a DJ did a remix to it. So it's like cool, whatever. But I need to do more recipes. Like, there's this one thing I really want to do, and I hope it's a banger, because in my head it sounds like a banger, but I don't know. I've been baiting. I just been baiting to go to a liquor store, honestly. That's Yaklu. It's like a liquor store I had to go to and get it. And the reason why I haven't done church, I didn't upload yesterday. And the reason why I didn't upload yesterday is because I was out all morning and I was so tired when I came back. I literally crashed. And my boyfriend had picked me up from where I was at. And he picked me up. We got Popeyes, and you know Popeyes be giving you the items, so I definitely had the items. I wasn't even hungry enough to do like the Trader Joe's taste test, and I fell asleep. And I kind of knew I wasn't gonna upload when I was like planning to go to sleep, because I was just like, yo, I'm so tired. I was really fighting asleep, and I just ended up crashing on the couch. And I woke up and it was like 9 p.m. and I was like, what? And then yeah, that's what happened, and that's why I didn't upload and that's why I didn't upload yesterday. And I was thinking of doing like a double upload today, but honestly, y'all, I don't think I am. I won't know, because I'm probably gonna upload this today. And just because I'm like, I don't know, I think this is my period. Like, seriously, I really do think that, because swear last night I was so motivated. I was like, yo, I was sad about not uploading though, because I just broke my streak. But it's okay. It's okay. I think if I had like a vehicle, things would be better, because if I had a car, I may have my boyfriend's car, but my boyfriend is always work. So I feel like if I had a car, it would be easier, because I want to do like I want to do videos for YouTube kind of thing, food related, because at this point this is like a Germany's channel and not a Germany Loves Food channel, because I haven't been uploading no food videos literally. But I want to do like, have y'all seen, like, I know y'all seen this TikTok. I said TikTok, yo, crazy. That's definitely a YouTube thing. It's like you get whatever the person in front of you gets. I really want to do that video so bad, because I'm really curious. But I need to do on like a day my boyfriend is off, he can drive me around, because me walking to these places, and I don't have a car either. I said I don't have a car either, girl. I don't even know how to drive. So doing that too, going around, we didn't work out for the best. So yeah, comment on ideas I can do. I think I love avocados for some reason. Like, I have always loved avocados. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this shrimp though, because I don't know. I just want chicken, honestly. That's what I really want. I really want chicken. I do not want to be eating no shrimp. I actually really do love shrimp. Shrimp is definitely like one of my favorite foods, like meat. But I just never had it on my salads before. It's because I be having chicken. Or there was a point, y'all wouldn't believe me the amount of shit that I have ate There was a point, this is all this year too, I was eating kale and boiled eggs. And that may sound disgusting to many people, but it was busting. But that was some real healthy shit. The only healthy shit that I really miss doing, I'm not gonna lie, I said the only healthy shit. The only shit that I really miss doing OD is definitely the Trader Joe's breakfast shit. But bro, ever since college students came back, bro, I'm not a college student no more. So I'm the adult that gets mad and got back. Ever since college students came back, bro, Trader Joe's never has a hash brown. Them hash browns, but damn, how did it go? Oh, hash browns, avocado, and that's like halfway cooked, medium well. Yo, them shit used to bust like crazy. Oh my gosh, so good, y'all. Like, it was so good, and he used to get the job done. Like, and I'm not gonna lie, I did make my own hash browns, but like something about Trader Joe's hash browns slap. I think I'm just not professional like that. We'll probably try again because I need those in my life, bro. But yeah, so now I'm doing this shrimp. The little shrimpity shrimp. And I just got a couple. I think I'm gonna be good with this. I'm debating if I should cut up my shrimpity shrimp. Leave it as whole. I'm heating up the pan. Wash your shrimp always. I hate people who don't wash their meat, because why are you not washing? For real. I feel like Chipotle seasoning has Chipotle chili seasoning. I got this from Whole Foods. Has me in a headlock. It is so good. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that to my shrimp, my little shrimpy shrimp. I was gonna have shrimp, but I hope the salad is good. I think it's still gonna be good. I'm also gonna show you how to make my salad dressing, because my last like health video kind of thing, like of my routine of me trying to lose weight, I did had a dressing, and people were asking like, what's that dressing, what's that dressing, what's that dressing? I'm gonna show y'all today. I'm gonna show y'all, because that dressing be so bomb. Because I really throw that shit on. And I feel like the reason why my food be so good is because I have like a sweet tooth. Cameras now, my camera is always on. I need 2 batteries. So this is a no dairy kind of thing. So I'm gonna add one thing of, I'm gonna do a little bit of grapeseed oil. You could do avocado oil too. I'm gonna say you want to do like a little bit, depends how you like it. I do 1 scoop of mayonnaise, and then some oregano, some garlic powder. It says 21 to 30. Oh, I put too much garlic powder, way too much garlic powder. Then you put some red chili flakes. And some people put vinegar and shit like that, but honestly, I don't like it with the vinegar. I don't like the aftertaste it gives me. Some agave, and agave is like my sweetener, and it is so freaking good. And then that's how you make your sauce. You can put like half a lime if you want like a little sour taste, but I didn't really want a sour taste today. I'm gonna have like I'm gonna have a better video of it on my social media. I have to make a whole jar of it. It is so good. Like, I have to show y'all. It is so good. We just like sweet stuff, obviously. I just throw this on top of the salad and call it a day. Before my video ends, I'm gonna make my matcha real quick, okay? Because this is like the best agave ever. Real healthy girl shit. And I put it all around the cup. So the reason why I put it all around the cup, oh my god, I missed the cup. Oh gosh. I put it all around the cup because when I put in the water, it's gonna be like sweet. I'm getting the sweet matcha taste with the water. I'm telling you, it works. I don't lie. I really be spitting when it comes to this food thing. Because I don't want to say I'm a picky eater, but I don't like just anybody's food. So this is a matcha brand. This is my boyfriend's matcha. This one is not mine. My brand, I'm gonna have a picture included, because my brand definitely tastes better, but his brand is more like, it's like realer. Like, it's more pure. And don't beast on this one, because yeah, this sends you to the bathroom. Like, this gives you a detox, like a real life detox. And yeah, I think I had it for the first time. No, I had it before, like off his cup. So my battery died, but we're gonna continue the conversation. So like I was saying, this is my boyfriend's pack, and this made me Oh, this gave me the bubble gut so bad. I'm talking about so bad, so bad. But it still got the job done. I like mine better, and mine tastes a lot better. Like this one has a more stronger matcha taste, but mine, I'm gonna have a picture right there. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm supposed to mix this up. I am all over the place today, literally all over the place. Debating if I should cut my shrimp or not. So this is one of the birthday gifts my boyfriend got me, and it has three different like shits, and this is one of them. And I love it so bad. I just love kitchen items. Mixing it up. And I really, if you're a coffee person, because I'm definitely a coffee person, but I started drinking matcha to be healthier and shit like that. But matcha doesn't taste as bad. It doesn't taste as bad as you think it does. Mug or any cup. I like mugs because it's just like not too big. And this one is so cute. I'm going to show you. It says, follow your dreams. There's no telling where they might take you. And then the bottom it says, away we go. This is one of my favorite mugs ever. I think I got that from Wegmans. So I put some heavy cream. And I'm going to mix it. I know y'all have seen it. Y'all be doing my little Cody foam. I put some agave. Agave is so freaking good. I had date sugar because I be trying to get like alkaline stuff. But I said date sugar, date syrup. But I don't like the date syrup is not as sweet as the agave one, but dates are really sweet, so I'll be like agave. When it's like halfway done, I put this on it, and the Trader Joe's one is really good, but we didn't go to Trader Joe's. Like when I went to Trader Joe's, they didn't have it, so it's just coconut cream and almond milk, and it's dairy free. And I just put a little bit. Right on the line. Mix it a little bit like the matcha. I just like twist it around a little bit to get around. A little mixy mix. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But it tastes really good. It's the agave, man. It's definitely one of the best matchas I made. For a fact. And then we're gonna grab a shrimp. I think I'm gonna cut the shrimp into smaller pieces because I eat like a child, honestly speaking. And I like my food cut up. I don't like it in big chunks. I'm just cut into like smaller pieces. By the way, y'all not getting a video. I stopped recording it. I'm gonna get my life together. I'm posting every single day, even though I missed a day yesterday. It's like, it reminds me how my mental state is just not there. Like, how much work is it to be motivated every single day? Jeez. The little shrimp on top. Is it me, or do y'all like eating in baby pieces too? Like, y'all don't like big pieces, or is it just me, or am I just childish? Like the final product before I add the sauce. Now we're gonna add the sauce on top. Let me try doing this on camera so y'all can see with me. This is the sauce. That is day 7 of vlogmas, and thank you for watching another video. That's my morning routine. Realistically, I'm gonna start working out, so I'll probably start posting that when I get off my period. Because me working on my period is not gonna happen realistically. Love y'all dearly, and I promise y'all tomorrow I'm gonna get the Trader Joe's taste test, because I'm probably gonna do it today when I want something to snack on. Love you guys.